हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू द यूट्यूब चैनल इंग्लिश ओवर द मोबाइल फ़ोन। मैं रविदित लिया आपके लिए लेकर आया हूँ डेली यूज़ हिंदी इंग्लिश वोकेबलरी विच विल बी वेरी हेल्पफुल फॉर यू टू इन्हेंस योर इंग्लिश वोकेबलरी as well as your English fluency. So don't forget to watch the video till end. Let's start with the first vocabulary word. The first word is burn. It means jalana. The next word is bust. It means फूटना या फटना. The next word is deadline. It means समय सीमा. The next word is face. It means सामना करना. The next word is suppress. It means दबाना. The next word is empower. It means सशक्त बनाना. The next word is interpret. It means व्याख्या करना. The next word is pray. It means प्रार्थना करना. The next word is glamour. It means ठाट बाट. The next word is pacifist. It means शांतिवादी. The next word is egotist. It means अहंकारवादी. The next word is hypocrite. It means पाखंडी या कपटी. The next word is versus. It means बनाम. The next word is memorable. It means स्मरणीय. The next word is wound. It means घाव. The next word is partiality. It means पक्षपात. The next word is needle. It means सुई. The next word is जिनग्स्ट. It means मनहूस. The next word is shroud. It means कफन. The next word is endorse. It means पुष्टि करना. The next word is complication. It means उलझन. The next word is count. It means गिनती करना. The next word is impeach. It means शरारती. The next word is deceptive. It means झूठा. The next word is ambit. It means सीमा या दायरा. So guys, thank you for watching the video. Please like, subscribe and share the video for more daily use vocabulary words videos.